Hi, everybody. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Fast CPA and Consultants. I'm here with our CPA, Fulton Abraham Sanchez. Welcome, Fulton.
Thank you.
So if you're watching us for the first time, we started this section called Tax Talks a few months ago where you send us your questions through email or social media, and we respond to them through these videos. So today we'll talk about what transactions with cryptocurrencies are reportable in the USA. So the first question we have is, if I want to buy crypto for holding, do I have to report it on my tax report?
No, the answer is no. Even though crypto is a reportable transaction, but it's only when you sell it.
Okay.
And when you buy and you hold it, there is no a taxable event. It's like buying a house. When you buy a house, even if the house is for renting, you do not report that. Only when you sell the house, you report to pay taxes and for the capital gain. Same thing, the same principle applies to cryptocurrencies because they are not, for the IRS, that's not currency. That is a capital asset,
Right.
like a house or like a stock or like a bond. Whenever you buy and hold an asset like that, a cryptocurrency, there is no taxable event.
Okay, and then we have what is actually considered holding crypto for interest?
For holding a crypto, it means that you buy the cryptocurrency and you keep it for creating more interest income with that currency. In this case, with the cryptocurrency. So in there are in the regular exchanges and even in the DeFi exchanges, there are sophisticated transactions like forks where you enter into a transaction with another party and then you lend your currency, your crypto, you lend to that party. And because of that, this is all through an exchange. There's no one party to another. It is through an exchange, and within the exchange there is is organized schemas, or there is this organized agreements or treaties where many parties have a crypto and other parties want a crypto. The two parties come together, and at that point, when you through the exchange, you agree to lend your cryptocurrency. That's when you receive interest. It's similar in the financial market when the bank is the one lending the money to you, and you pay interest to the bank. Is similar, but in this case, there is no bank in the middle. It's just you because there is no bank in cryptocurrency.
Okay, and if I want to change the crypto to cash, is that reportable?
Yes, that is the reportable event that I was talking about before. There is, as we live in a fiat world, fiat currency world, all the transactions that we do day to day, at least the ones that are in the places where cryptocurrencies are not accepted, we have to use fiat money, the one printed by the Federal Reserve. In that case, when there is an exchange from one asset, in this case a capital asset, as the cryptocurrency is, to a liquid asset as cash, fiat cash is, that that creates a taxable event that you have to report to the IRS.
Okay. And our last question is, which are taxes for buying a property with crypto?
There is no taxes to buy a property with crypto. Remember, because if you buy if the party, if the seller accepts your crypto, it's like you are exchanging one capital asset for the other capital asset. If there is no, you are giving up your crypto and the other party is giving up the house or the property. You are giving up your crypto, you give it to him, and the other party is giving up the house and given to you. So there is no there is no taxable event because you have not exchanged the nature of the cryptocurrency. Now, the problem there is that um, if you change, for example, if you change the house, I'm sorry, if you change the crypto into fiat and then you buy the house, that is a reportable event for the change of the crypto into fiat, as we said before. But if I have crypto and the other party will accept directly will accept my crypto and it will give me the house like that, it will be fine. There is no taxable event. The problem is, as I said before, is that the government does not accept crypto. So when I say the government, it's the federal government, the state government, and the county government, and the city government. So in this case, the properties in the USA are managed, or the sale of the properties are managed by the counties, and the counties do not accept cryptocurrency. Therefore, when there is a transaction and the property is going to be subscribed, the exchange of the assets is going to be subscribed with the county. This might represent a difficulty because the county is not going to accept that you pay, for example, the fees to the county or to the government, to the county government, the fees with crypto. You have to pay that out of your pocket, the exchange, because there are what is called stamp tax. Those stamp tax, you pay it out of your pocket because there is no cryptocurrency acceptance in the county. You have to pay that out of your pocket for the transferring of the property from the seller to you, and then you give up your crypto. That will be one of the taxes that you have to pay when there is a transfer of property, but there is no taxes to the IRS, there is no federal tax, there is no state tax. This is to the stamp tax, the tax for the transfer of the property from one party to the other. Now, this is if buyer accepts crypto to you, I mean from you. If the buyer doesn't accept the crypto, then you have to change into crypto. That will be a taxable event. At that point, you can buy the house. But if the buyer accepts freely the crypto, the only thing that the seller accepts the crypto. The only thing that the seller will say is that you have to pay the stamp tax or the transfer tax from the property out of your pocket in fiat money. That will be the only tax that you have to pay when you buy the property. But as far as you do not exchange your crypto for fiat currency, there is no taxable event, and there's no any other tax that you have to pay. You have to pay when you buy the property.
Okay, understood. So those are all of the questions we have for today. Thank you so much for being here. Also, if you have any more questions, you can always contact us through email or social media, and we'll leave the information in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, everybody, and we'll see you again on the next video.
Thank you.